Hi, my name is Ashley.
Hi, my name is Ivan Lee.
Hi, my name is Devin Anderson.
Hey, I'm Nathan Cranford.
So the cuttlefish comes from the kingdom Animalia, the phylum Mollusca, the class Cephalopoda, the order Sepioloida, and family Scipidae.
Cuttlefish tend to eat smaller mollusks, crabs, shrimp, fish, octopus, worms, and sometimes other cuttlefish. What the cuttlefish do to acquire its food is it uses its camouflage to hide from its prey and sneak up on it. It also injects it with its venom, which paralyzes the prey, which makes it easier for it to catch and swallow. The main importance of cuttlefish in the food chain is the fact that they just eat so much. Because they are so active and they reproduce quite often, they have to eat a lot of their diet in order to maintain their active lifestyle. And so a decrease in the population of cuttlefish would rapidly increase the reproduction of their diet, which would include shrimp or crabs or even other worms.
Predators are dolphins, sharks, fish, seals, seabirds, and other cuttlefish. The cuttlefish's habitat is tropic to temperate ocean waters, mainly shallow, but known to go down to depths of 600 meters. Not found in both Americas, but present along the coasts of Asia, Europe, Africa, and Australia.
So what we do with cuttlefish is some countries dry it and shred it and eat it as a snack food, but the ink is used in various things, like we use it to cook, which is weird. Some doctors use it in medicines, among a ton of other things. But people take the cuttlefish bone and they feed it to their pet birds for a supplementary calcium.
During mating season, males will often compete for the best den. And that usually won't end up in physical contact, but mostly just bluffing. So once a male finds the perfect den and finds a female, he will mate with that female and guard that female in that den until she lays eggs a few hours later. Sometimes males will come by and try to challenge another male for the den and the female. This will often end up in physical contact, and they will actually try to paralyze each other first. Whoever paralyzes the other first wins the den and the female. Some males are observed to attempt other tactics, such as disguising themselves as females to get into the den with another female. He may disguise themselves by hiding extra tentacles. Females have fewer tentacles than males. He will even pretend to be carrying an egg sac. Males will change their colors, the body shape, and anything else just to make themselves look like a female. A cuttlefish's camouflage is so good that it can take on the pattern of a checkerboard. But they're colorblind. Researchers have done some testing on this and are still inconclusive about how cuttlefish are able to camouflage so well while they are colorblind. Researchers have suggested, though, that they can sense the contrasting in the different colors and try to match that. So it's still a mystery how they can still camouflage so well while being colorblind, but it is believed that they can sense the different contrasting colors.
Activating multiple layers of chromatophores allows the cuttlefish to mix its color like paint. Switching on the cells with red and yellow pigments inside will add up to orange cuttlefish.
So in recent years, scientists have observed dramatic population declines in the cuttlefish population. From an estimated 183,000 in 1999, numbers were down to 125,000 in 2005, 80,000 in 2011, and just 13,500 in 2013. Researchers are now looking for answers to this catastrophe. They are saying that there are 3 potential explanations for this decline. It might have been caused by new environmental pressures, such as pollution and changes in the temperature, or decline in food sources, as overfishing is a big problem right now. The other possibility is that there's no real decline at all. There might have just been an unusual boom in population in the late 1990s.
Recently, researchers have found that cuttlefish's statocytes, structures that they need for maintaining balance and position, can be seriously compromised by high-intensity, low-frequency sounds. These usually come from boats, such as fishing boats that travel nearby where cuttlefish tend to live. And due to this compromising of their statocytes, there has been a large decline in cuttlefish, particularly large cuttlefish. Researchers aren't exactly completely sure that the sounds are mainly the reason behind the decline in population, but it is suggested that it could be one of its factors.
Even though octopus are regarded as the most intelligent invertebrate, recent studies indicate that cuttlefish are among the most intelligent invertebrates. They also have one of the largest brain-to-body size ratios of all invertebrates. Cuttlefish possess an internal structure called the cuttlebone, which is porous, and what it does to maintain buoyancy is change how much air or liquid is actually inside its cuttlebone. A cuttlefish's circulatory system is weird because its blood is green/blue, but it has 3 hearts. 2 of its hearts pump blood to the pair of gills, and the other one pumps blood to the rest of its body. The reason being is because cuttlefish need their blood to flow more rapidly because it doesn't carry as much oxygen.
The W-shaped eyelids of the cuttlefish help the cuttlefish not only see in front of it, but see behind it at the same time.
Cuttlefish use their tentacles not only to catch prey, but when they're young and they don't have the ability to swim yet, they use their tentacles to crawl along the sea floor. And they also can use them to taste.